What is up, YouTube? MarKicks back with another vlog. I think this is like vlog number 7. I don't know, something like that. A little interesting, a different vlog. Right around tax time every year, I go to my extra cash bottle, and it's what I do to help myself save money just throughout the year. So any cash that I get, I'll throw it in there. If I sell something, say I'm like doing some type of eBay sale or some type of Facebook marketplace sale, like if I have an extra golf club that I'm selling, or just anything that I have a shoe I don't wear anymore, I sell it on Facebook marketplace. Anything that I really get cash from, I try to throw some of that in this bottle. And the bottle can be used for different things. I want to get to a point where I'm using it for, like, to spoil myself at this time of year. So maybe buy a nice watch, if I can get to a point where I'm saving 5 to 10 grand. Buy a nice watch, buy a car part, something like that. Right now, I use it, honestly, everything that comes out of that bottle goes straight to my accountant. I have to pay his fees yearly. So everything out of that bottle goes straight to him for my LLC taxes and my personal taxes. Whatever's in there goes to him. Hopefully I get to a point where that's not where the whole bottle is going to, because it kind of defeats the purpose. Like, it's not as cool. Like, I'm saving to pay my accountant. I wish I was saving to buy the shoe I wanted that now costs $2,000, or just something. I don't know. So yeah, with that being said, we can go ahead and open the bottle and see how much we saved for 2020 into 3 months of 2021. Don't ask what I got on. Okay, so usually to open this, it's just never a fun process. So I stabbed this before I did that off camera, because you know it could get a little crazy, and I didn't want y'all thinking I was nuts. So we're gonna try to get all this money out. I guess I can use this bottle next time. The kind of the whole purpose of using the bottle is so you don't like dig in it. Since this one has a slit, I may want to get a new one, but also I feel like I have enough self-control to not, you know, just stick my hand in there and get some cash when I need it. So I might just keep this bottle. We'll see. Sometimes I rip the whole thing and I gotta get a new one, but we'll see. Now to count. Hopefully I get about, hopefully there's at least like 1,000. That's what I'm praying for. Always gotta start off with a blue bill in there. Off to a good start. Okay, now we got all of them separated. We'll go ahead, count the separate piles. Starting off with 2 blue bills. It's a really good, you know, starter right there. It's a really good starter. So that's 200. On to the 5s. We're at 600. With 5s and 1s left. I don't think we gonna make it to 1,000, my G. That means I'm gonna have to come out of pocket. But see, this is what I mean. It's not like a sure thing. Like, you don't know how much you gonna save. Like, so I'm not using this video as like, here's how you save $2,000 a year, like in cash. It's just kind of up to you and your saving habits. Like, I obviously didn't save as much as I thought I was saving, but also this is a pandemic one. Last year I had like 1,300, but we in a pandemic, you know, I can't do that, you know? All right. $750 in 120s, 10s, and 5s. We're at $750, and now the annoying ones. Okay, I got lazy counting the ones. 141 in ones. Well, 241 in ones. So the unofficial total: 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. About 950. I'm gonna bump that up, you know, because I was gonna save some today, so I'm gonna bump that up about 300. So let's just say we saved 1,300 for the last 12 months. Like I said, this is just kind of one of those things that can help you save. So like if you're trying to save money throughout the year, you just want to save some like pocket change, whatever, pocket change, it doesn't matter. Hopefully this kind of system will help you save just a little bit more. That's all we need, is just a little bit more. Every check, grab a 20, throw it in there, and you never know. You never know how much you're gonna have. Like I said, right now I'm saving anywhere from 900 to 1,500. I want to get to a point where I'm putting 5 grand, 10 grand, so I can get to a point where I'm buying a watch, I'm buying shoes, I'm buying something cool, not just sending all of this money to my accountant. Don't worry. Shout out to the mayor. Everybody knows the mayor, legend in the sneaker community. He's the one that first showed this kind of trick, so I started doing it after seeing what he did, and he saves like 25 grand. So I don't have that, but you know, keep the money in a locked room, put the safe door, and you know we straight. But short vlog, honestly. I only had to film for like 2 days. But we'll catch y'all next week. Stay tuned, subscribe, like this video, man. Like this video. That's all I need from you. Just a like. You ain't even gotta save money. Don't save if you don't want to. Just like the video. And I might give it all away. Go to a different channel for that. You know, I'm just playing.